Okay, you're on.
We got Four Finger Fireworks 2012.
Woo!
Our grand opening, our shoot. We're gonna go through some novelties, fountains, 200, 300 gram cakes, 500 gram cakes, and then a finale for you, folks. So here we go. Hey Kevin, we'll start it off with the Sky Lanterns. Do you have any crazy crackers over there? Yes or no?
Some back there.
We'll skip that one for you.
Ooh, I like this song.
Someone hold the top, and then you light the bottom. There you go. Light it and then move it up and down. Until it fills up. Keep doing it and then it'll start going up by itself. Cool. Just let it fill up now, T. Until it gets really full. Keep moving up and down a little bit. There you go. It should go now. Slowly.
You're killing me. Don't touch it.
Okay.
Look at like a hot air balloon. Is that pretty? You remember the box whose mommy and daddy would put people in that?
It'll keep going. All right, guys, those are Sky Lanterns. Like in the movie Tangled, right? Hey kids, like in the movie Tangled?
Okay. You're at almost 3 minutes now.
All right. We're going to start off with some fountains right now. First fountain we're going to do is California Sunrise. These are all 200 and 300 gram fountains. They start about $5 a piece. These fountains go for quite a long time, so it's a good thing for your buck. We'll just keep going on. It's going to keep going for a while. Kevin, you want to just wait till it's done and then do the next one, or you want to just keep going?
Just keep going.
Okay, Pacific Paradise next. Actually, you want to jump up. That's still the same cake.
Come on, where's the other one? That's the same one.
All right, we got Pacific Paradise next.
Oh, there's more. They're not done.
They look like little stars. And if you forgot, these are fountains, so these are safe and sane for you folks. That runs $8.
Come on.
All right, next we got California Dreamin'. All right, this one's got red, white, and blue stars. Very patriotic, as Filipa says. You like that one? Red, white, and blue, huh? That's pretty cool. Yeah, look, now it's got green and orange in it. Where's James? Your favorite color is green, right, James? There you go. All right, guys, the next one is Malibu Madness, one of my favorites. Pretty cool, huh, guys? You like this one? You like it? Look, the stars. Go over there, look. Right there, behind the orange rope, okay?
What, honey? When is it gonna get big? Get huge? Probably in another 5 minutes.
This one's got a little mix of colors plus stars in there. This next one coming up is Lava Lamp. This one, you gotta check out the colors. It's the only fountain in the market. It literally looks like a lava lamp. Look at this one, guys. Like a volcano of little lava, different multi-fluorescent colors. Yeah, look, right now it's blue coming out now. Take a look at that. Look at that, blue, orange, yellow. This one's pretty cool. This one's got a different effect to it. It's more like little fluorescent balls from a lava lamp. Hence the name. And once this one finishes up, the final fountain we're going to be doing is Barrel of Fun. You can start that one up, Kevin. Barrel of Fun. This one is Barrel of Fun, folks. This is a 300 gram. It's one of the biggest fountains we have. And most of these fountains will last for about 2 to 3 minutes. This one does change. It goes through about 3 different stages. Look at the spark. You like green? Look at that. Here we go.